This is your Mom Shiel, and welcome back to my channel. So what's for today? So the food that we are going to make for today is the kids' favorite. I know all the kids, 110%. The kids love this food. So for today's episode, we are going to make a delicious, nutritious, and creamy mac and cheese. So the mac and cheese that we are going to make for today is we're going to give a twist. So let's go. And here are the ingredients of the mac and cheese that we are going to make or to cook for today. I have here a shredded cheddar cheese. So we have a Monterey Jack cheese. I shredded it. So I prepared a bacon. We have a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of butter. We have a flour. We have parsley. We have a powdered onion, black pepper, and salt to taste. Of course, we're gonna use the milk, panko bread, different, right? And then we have, of course, our elbow pasta. In mac and cheese that we're going to make for today is we're going to put the bacon. So in bacon, this is optional, what I mean. You could make a mac and cheese without the bacon. You could make a mac and cheese without this panko bread. So yeah, but today I decided to make to put bacon and make a panko bread to my mac and cheese. So, and then the pasta that we are going to make is elbow macaroni. So, well, it's up to you guys. It's any kind of pasta, you know, even the pin, or you want the shell, or the elbow. So, you know, anything that you like to make, it's okay in this dish. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and start to cook. So for first, I have pan in here. So what we're going to do is to fry our bacon. So I shredded some bacon and I need to fry my bacon in here. So for those people that are not eating bacon, so it's okay not to put the bacon, all right? So, but for me, I would like to try today my mac and cheese with garnish of bacon. So, we are going to fry the shredded bacon. If this is like, if you'll see that the bacon is like slightly brown, the bacon that I'm going to use for my mac and cheese is a turkey bacon. So you could use a different types of or different kinds of bacon, all right? So, but if you don't eat bacon, so then you can like omit to our ingredients. While waiting to toast our bacon here on the pan, so I'll go ahead and put 5 cups of milk in my casserole because it's better to heat up the milk first, and then when you add to the flour in here, same temperature. So I'll go ahead and put my 5 cups of milk in here. Okay, so while waiting to our bacon to toast and our milk to warm it up, so a long time, I have a boiled water here that we're going to put our pasta. So this pasta is like 3.5 cup elbow. So I think this is boiling now. The water is boiling. And I put some oil in our water and salt already. So we'll do our pasta we'll cook our pasta according to the instruction. All right? 9 minutes to make our pasta, then our pasta is ready. In my mac and cheese, I like my bacon is fully like crunchy, so that when we garnish on top of the mac and cheese, it's like, you know, when you eat the mac and cheese, it's like you will feel something like crunchy inside. So, yeah. So that you have to be patient to make our bacon to be crunchy. So now that the bacon is fully toasty and crunchy, I'll go ahead and take it aside in one bowl. Ooh la la! Our bacon is really, really toasty and crunchy. And now, I'll go ahead. So our pan is still in medium. I'll go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay? Okay. So this meal that we're going to cook for today, or this mac and cheese that we're cooking for today, is, I think this is like a 15 to 20 minutes meal again. So I'll go ahead and put our, this is a 1/3 cup flour. So if you think that the butter and the flours are okay, so I'll go ahead and drop our heated up milk. Drop the milk in here, okay? All right. Let's wait the milk to boil. So, okay, so now that our milk is ready, so I'll go ahead and put our cheddar cheese in here. So, it's up to you guys, like, on how many cheddar cheese or how many cups of cheddar cheese that you are going to put. So, I'll prepare like 1.5 cup cheddar cheese, but I need to leave some in here for baking later. And then I'll go ahead and put my Monterey grated cheese in here, Monterey Jack cheddar cheese. This is another like 1.5. So let it melt it inside. And then after that, we are going to put some, of course, onion powder to taste, you know. Some people are putting like the pressed onion. Yes, you could do that. You could do the pressed onion, you could do the powdered onion if you like. And then we'll put some black pepper to taste, salt to taste. All right, and then let's stir it up and get our boiled pasta. So now I have my boiled pasta here and put all my pasta inside. All right. Oh la la. So I told you guys, when I'm stirring up my food, I need to get another. When we mix the food, when I'm mixing, I always use 2 pan. Okay? The cheese and the pasta that you are going to make, it's up to you guys. Like, you know, this is like 1 cup and a half. So for my 3.5 cup of elbow macaroni, and I put 1/2 cup of cheese, cheddar cheese, and 1/2 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. So yeah, I think it's enough, right? And I have bacon, crunchy bacon, toasty crunchy bacon to garnish on top. when we're going to bake. Oh la la. And the panko bread, it's gonna be yummy, yummy. Now I'm going to off my stove because I don't like my mac and cheese to be dry. So I think this is enough. So I'll go ahead and off my stove. And we put it in one pan for baking. So now that the mac and cheese is ready, so we are going to put in our pan. In here, we have a big pan in here. Let's put it up. Oh, oops, 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 oops. Okay. All right. Be careful when you pour it to your baking dish. So now our mac and cheese is ready to bake. So I'll put the rest of the cheese for the mac and cheese. So now I'll go ahead and put my panko bread on top. You know why we use the panko bread? So that this is going to be very crunchy on top. All right, and then we're going to garnish with our bacon. And then, last but not the least, I have my minced parsley in here. And here you go. Our mac and cheese is ready to bake for about like 350 for about like 15 to 20 minutes. Once the cheese melted on top and it's like kindly toasty on top, so we are done baking. Now I'll go ahead and put the mac and cheese to the oven. And let's see, 15 to 20 minutes, our mac and cheese is ready. Let's see. Oops. Oh la la, my mac and cheese. Ooh, look at that. Look at that mac and cheese. Oh, put it in here. Here it is. We are done making our nutritious, delicious, creamy mac and cheese. La la la, let's see. Ooh la la. I love the crunchiness on top. Look at the mac and cheese that we made. Whoops. Wow. So I'll go ahead and taste our mac and cheese, creamy mac and cheese. Look at that. So let's try. I love my mac and cheese. Sorry, this is the best. This is the best, you know, the cheese that we use, the panko bread on top with bacon. I use the turkey bacon, so it's up to you guys if you like to use the other bacon. But if you put bacon on top, the panko bread on top, the best. I hope you like this video, and if you do, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit the notification bell so you can get informed whenever I upload videos. As always, this is your Mom Shell, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.